In quantum mechanics, the Pauli matrices are sigma x equal to matrix 0, 1, 1, 0. Sigma y equal to matrix 0, I, 0. Sigma z equal to matrix 1, 0, 0, minus 1. In your program, show the following are satisfied by explicitly computing the matrix products. Sigma x square equal to sigma y square equal to sigma z square equal to 1. Square bracket sigma x comma sigma y equal to 2i sigma z. Square bracket sigma y comma sigma z equal to 2i sigma x. Square bracket sigma z comma sigma x equal to 2i sigma y. Answer is: import numpy as np. Sx equals np dot array open parenthesis open square bracket 0 dot comma 1 dot close parenthesis comma open square bracket 1 dot comma 0 dot close square bracket comma float close parenthesis. Sy assign np dot array open parenthesis open square bracket 0 dot comma minus 1j close square bracket comma open square bracket 1j comma 0 dot close square bracket comma complex close parenthesis. Sc assign np dot array open parenthesis open square bracket 1 dot comma 0 dot close square bracket comma open square bracket 0. Comma minus 1 dot close square bracket comma float close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis string sx square equal to comma np dot open parenthesis sx comma sx close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis string sy square equal to comma np dot open parenthesis sy comma sy close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis string sc square equal to comma np dot open parenthesis sc comma sc close parenthesis.